With so much life, some of those creatures should surely have evolved into intelligent beings. Perhaps beings a little like us.
But that just begs more questions. Where are they? And why haven't they contacted us? After all, we've been making a lot of noise for more than 50 years.
Here's the puzzle. Our radio broadcasts don't just reach our homes, they also beam out into space.
I, George Walker Bush, do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States.
Planet Earth's history is being broadcast to the universe. So if extraterrestrials exist, then they should already know that we're here.
I, William Jefferson Clinton, do solemnly swear.
But even radio takes years to reach the stars.
I, Ronald Reagan, do solemnly swear
That I will faithfully
I, Jimmy Carter, do solemnly swear.
I, Richard Milhous Nixon.
Our radio broadcasts have been powerful enough to travel out into space for 5 decades.
I, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, do solemnly swear.
But in all that time, they've only reached a handful of the closest stars. To most of space, our planet appears completely silent.
I, Dwight D. Eisenhower, do solemnly swear.
There's this bubble of TV, if you will, that's moving out into space, and those earliest shows have reached out 40 or 50 light years. I mean, there are only a few hundred stars that are that close. The facts are that the aliens simply don't know we're here yet, and that's why we haven't heard from them, I think.
Someday, as that radio bubble expands, someone out there might learn that we're here. But when? And what happens next?
It's the sheer size of the galaxy, that's the problem. If extraterrestrials exist, they could live over there, on the other side from Earth. It would take our radio and TV broadcasts 100,000 years to reach them, and we've only been sending out signals for around 50. It just depends where ET lives. The signals from our planet have only reached a handful of the stars in our galaxy, but that may be enough. This star is just receiving our first radio broadcast. So if ET lives on a planet around here, they might have just found out that we exist. If they choose to answer, their message will take another 50 years or so to come back to us. So we might be waiting quite a while before we discover that we are not alone. Unless, of course, they have one of these.
Intelligent beings from another world.
Gee whiz!
What would they be like? Almost certainly like nothing we've ever imagined. For now, we can only speculate. But our search continues. And that means that one day, we may actually find out.